Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix Windows has restarted your GPU in League of Legends. In order to fix Windows has restarted your GPU in League of Legends, firstly you need to make sure that you are running the latest drivers of your graphics card. In order to check that, head to the bottom right hand side of your taskbar and click on Show Hidden Icons. From here, right click on the NVIDIA settings, then click on NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Now let NVIDIA GeForce Experience open up. After it opens, head to the driver section. From here you can see if you are using the latest drivers or not. If you are using the latest drivers, it will tell you have the latest GeForce Game Ready drivers. If not, an update button will be available in here, so just click on update and your graphics driver will be updated accordingly. You need to also make sure that your Windows are up to date. In order to do that, head to the search panel of Windows. From here, search for settings, then click on open. After that, head to the Windows update section from the left hand side of your screen. Now in here, if it says you are up to date in the Windows update section, that means your Windows is up to date. You can also check the status by clicking on check for update, and if any update is available, just click on download and install on the right hand side of this update and it will be installed accordingly. After checking your update status, you need to head to the System32 folder of your Windows. To do that, go to this PC, then your local C drive. After that, head to Windows folder. From here, scroll down until you find System32. In System32, you have to search for NVLDDMK. Here is the NVLDDMK file. So right click on it, go to Properties, go to the Security tab. Now under the Systems section, see that full control is given to the system of this particular file. If not, click on this edit button and give full control to this file on behalf of the system. After doing that, click on apply and OK. Sometimes this graphics related issue can occur due to your Discord running in the background with a particular setting on. So in order to change it, you need to open up Discord from your hidden icons. After that, go to the settings menu of Discord. From here, scroll down until you find the advanced section under app settings. And make sure that your hardware acceleration is turned off. After turning it off, Discord will be relaunched. Now with this setting changed, many of your problems should resolve and you can enjoy your League of Legends peacefully.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.